Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. This is the SnapTool3 tutorial. This is the dungeon demo scene. We'll show you how to extract some tiles from here. First, let's copy the scene so that we do not change the original one. And then let's open it. I wrote a little tool to reparent lights and effects and everything to the respective room. This helps a lot in extracting rooms from the scene. Parent all rooms on a newly made game object. And drag the parent to the dialog. Drag the root of all objects you want to reparent to their respective rooms to the dialog. Press the reparent button and we are done. Now all lights are reparented to their respective room. Some could not be reparented, so let's just ignore this for the sake of this tutorial here. We do the same for the fog planes. Now let's create some tiles. Tiles are prefabs from rooms, usable by the level editor. Let's just create some folders in our project for our tiles here. We need a folder for our source tiles that will be processed by a tool and go to destination tiles. To keep things nice and dandy, I usually parent these two folders to a SnapTool3 named folder. Naming of the folders doesn't matter at all. So now let's just grab a room and make a source tile from it. We find all exits of a room and put a transform somewhere in the room. Doesn't matter what the parent is. This marks the exit. We have to name this transform snap point so that the tooling can easily find it. The forward axis of this transform must point outwards. The basic idea is that snap points are snapped to other snap points. This room has only one exit, so we are done here. Grab the room and drag it to our source files folder to make a prefab from it. We don't need it in the scene anymore, so let's just delete it. The torture room is next. Exactly the same procedure. Now let's create destination tiles from our source tiles automatically with my tool. Drag source and destination folders and just click the button and you are done. The tool also created a so-called tile library. Let's just rename it to something useful so that we recognize it in any situation. We can now use the destination tiles in the SnapTool3 level editor. And this is something I'm going to show you in the next video.